Do you know who I am? You probably don't. Anyways, we're gonna do some crazy ass ninja shit today. We're gonna do like wolves playing in a band. I'm using Arch's smooth pressed, hot pressed paper. Black ink, always the same. Indiana black ink. When I don't have this, dynamic black works. But only when I don't have a spider ink. And the brand for colors, Arrow Colors. I don't even know how to pronounce it, but I'm gonna use red, yellow, brown, blue, all kinds of shit. The size of the painting is pretty big. It's like pretty big. I would say A2. It's not that big. And yeah, so are you guys ready? Let's fucking do this shit. The fourth should clearly belong to Ali. The fifth would not be so kind to the champion. We are finally done, and you can see we need to do more of wolves. I can easily tell you that I'm now addicted to metalhead wolves. It's beautiful. If you guys want to see more of these videos, feel free to subscribe and whatnot to just do it, you know. And also you can go follow my friend's channel on YouTube. It's called Tatto Shop Talk. Pretty good information there about all kinds of stuff, so go do that, and I'll see you pretty soon, guys. Bye bye.